Chargeback process. Ever had a customer say, I didn't make this purchase or I didn't get my stuff? Well, welcome to the roller coaster of chargebacks. Let's demystify what a chargeback is, how it works, and how you can avoid it. So, what's a chargeback? It's when a customer disputes a transaction and gets their money back. Kinda like hitting undo button on a payment. Unlike a refund, which you can process proactively, chargebacks involve banks and payment networks like Visa or MasterCard stepping in. Here's how the chargeback cycle works. Customer disputes a transaction. The payment networks gets involved. The merchant either proves the transaction was valid or faces the consequence. It's a game of documentation. Step 1. If you, as the merchant, don't provide required documentation within the given time frame, the case closes in favor of the customer. Translation, you lose the money. So, don't miss the deadline. But if you do provide valid documents, your bank reviews them. If approved, they are sent to the customer's bank. Fingers crossed, they say yes. The customer's bank have 45 days to decide. If they accept the documents, the case is resolved. But if they reject them, get ready for round 2, aka the second chargeback. Time to step up your evidence game. If the second chargeback comes, you can either accept it or redispute it with fresh evidence. This process is called pre-arbitration. It's like overtime in a football match. Extra pressure. Now, let's talk about prevention. Most chargebacks happen because of these reasons: products not delivered, duplicate charges, damaged goods, or unauthorized transactions. Want to avoid chargebacks? Here's how. Deliver products on time, communicate delays, resolve customer issues quickly, display clear store policies, and process refunds immediately. Prevention is always better than cure. And that's the chargeback process, simplified. Keep your customers happy, stay on top of your documentation, and you will have fewer disputes to worry about. Want more insights like this? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Let's keep your business running smoothly.